Cleaning ceilings can be challenging, but it's important to remove dirt and stains for a cleaner home. Start by vacuuming the ceiling using a bristle brush attachment, paying attention to corners and air vents. Use a duster to remove dust and debris, and wipe dirty areas with a dry microfiber cloth. Create a gentle cleaning solution with warm water, non-abrasive dish liquid, and white vinegar. Spray the solution on the ceiling, avoiding soaking it. Use a damp paint roller to cover the entire ceiling, and then pat it dry with a clean cloth. If there are pencil marks, gently rub them with an eraser. Baking soda can be used to remove stains by creating a paste and wiping it in a circular motion. For soot stains, mix trisodium phosphate with water to create a paste. Apply it to the stained area and follow the manufacturer's instructions. Remember to take safety precautions and protect your flooring.